Hi guys! Today, we're gonna show my new notebook. The watering one. And you know where I got this from. Not gonna tell you. I got it from shopping, but was a gift from someone that I'm not telling you the name. Not telling you the name. Who gave me this, right? I can. Mama, can I tell who gave me this? The one who gave me this is Lola Christie. He's my dad's mom. He gave me this. I also have two more books in the room, but I'm not going to show you. And I got something to show you. A sticker. Hello, me, that's my favorite character now. That's my favorite because he's my Melody. That's Romy. Then pick.
Pakita mo yung book, yung itsura sa loob. Ano yung itsura?
Alright. The tour of the book.
So cute, right?
Yeah, so cute. But I saw that. I'm gonna find which one I should color. I want a small one. I cannot draw a background. This one's cute. I don't know what I should color. Too many options. And they're so big. I never had a background for this. Not purple. I'm so scared.
Yeah. Yung first page na. Ay, ito. Ipakita mo sa kanya ano pipintura mo.
Ito pipin ko.
O, ganyan mo na lang. Hawakan ko, yung paint.
Hey, my color. Kasi mo kata color na eyes. Maway na. So hard to color it. I think I need a little bit pink.
Ano color yan?
Huh?
Ano color?
That pink. I
Pink?
said.
Pink yung eyes? How about the hair?
Good.
Hair naman muna.
It's blonde. Wait. Watch this stuff. No, not taking out. Now I want to make the hair yellow because that's orange. I don't know. Orange or
Busog ka doon
yellow.
para makita yung paint. Busog ka doon in the chair. Okay. Okay.
My God, oh my God. Okay. There. Which one though?
Ayun na.
Come on. The yellow next. The hair.
What's the color of the hair?
Yellow.
You want it blonde?
Yellow's close to blonde, okay?
Okay.
Mama, it's not getting out. So hard.
Why? O, di ganun po.
Mama, it's so hard to take this off.
Put more. No? Wow. Ayan.
Blonde na ito.
Yeah, it's already blonde. What will be the color of the... Ano tawag dito?
Brown.
Mm.
Yellow as well.
Ah, puro yellow na. Lagyan mo kaya na pagka-orange.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos dapat nilagyan mo yung ano, yun yung mga ribbon niya ng pink.
Yeah. Wait lang. I want to try out the sticker now. These are not taking out.
Ito.
Oh, never take out.
It's okay. It's okay.
Ay, hugas ko sa jar.
Hindi na! Water na yan eh.
Ay, come on.
Okay na. Next color.
No. Okay. Pink.
O kaya red na lang. Para mas... Ayan
It
na.
turned to orange.
No, it's not. Sige na. Ganun dapat. Dot lang.
Tat.
Tap. Damihan mo. Damihan mo yung color. Huwag mo nang isaw-saw. Dito mo na siya. Ayan. Then, dab dito sa ribbon. Dab lang. Hindi ganyan, no? Dab na eh. Dab. Another dab. Dab na. Damihan mo pa yung ano. Ito. Wala. Meron na sa hair.
Okay.
Nice.
Now time to wash it. Dab. There, yellow
Okay,
again.
yan, yellow again. Oh, and how about the crown?
Of course, you said earlier was orange. It's going darker here. Can you open the light?
Ha? Nasa yung kuryente. Karay. Ba't nilagyan mo ng... Wait lang. Ba't mo nilagyan ng yellow yung orange?
Huh? Sorry, I just didn't know. Now time to...
Nakikita mo ba yung pinagawa mo?
Of course, so dark.
So, I'll open the light.
Hey, come on. Come on. Oh my god.
Yeah. May light yun. Okay. Oh, continue.
I want the dress to be pink.
Pink na naman. Diyos ko, yellow and pink lang at orange yung galaw mo. Oh, what other? What ano?
Come on.
Put some purple.
Of course, they're my favorite color as well. But I just so coquette. Why the pink is not going?
Hindi, nagkam yan. Na. Ano yan?
Pink?
Pink.
I want the sleeve to be purple.
Okay.
And I think
Ano
this.
ba sleeve to?
Ito, sleeve. Ito.
Sleeve ba yan?
Ito eye color blue.
Okay.
Mom,
What?
very hard
Ano hard?
to color this.
Kasi dab lang. Ganun o. Yan. Pink ba?
Yeah. Dito. No, dito. Because that's not... No!
Ay, ano ba? Ito. Akala ko ba ito? Purple.
Those are not the
Ito.
sleeve.
Ito. Sleeve yan. Ito o. Well, ito. Then we're gonna put some red for highlight. Just the red.
Okay, so high. Now I want to show you guys my stick.
Oh, ako ba ang nagpe-paint, ha? Continue.
Continue.
Oh, lagyan mo. Ano mo muna yan? Dab, yan.
Continue. 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 Continue.
Na, purple na yan.
I don't know what purple I should name. Dub, 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 dub. This is a fun thing to do in the morning. Oh my God.
Kami mag-aaral na tayo, ah.
No.
Mag-aaral tayo.
No.
Babasa tayo mamaya.
Nope.
Tapos mag-aaral.
No, not today. Not today. I said not today. I'm totally not doing that purple.
Ano na nangyari kay Princess? Mukha na ba siyang may kulay? Mukha muna kaya sa kabila. Kasi masakit ako eh.
Please, Mom. Ayoko talaga ka doon.
Sige na, tuloy mo na.
Okay, I'm done.
Uy, meron pa. Yan o.
Ah.
Ito o.
Like,
Hindi mo kinalain yung ano niya? Ito.
pwede
Ano
naman.
ba to? Hair din ata ito eh. Hindi ba to hair or gown?
Tattooed ya hair.
Hair. Ito? Ito? Hair yan?
Yeah. But I'm so lazy.
O sige, lagyan mo na ng ano, yellow. Ito.
Ay, Mama.
Ano, mama? Ba't hindi mo kanilayan yung face?
Of course, I don't know what color I should need.
Ay, may brown.
Totally not worth it for chocolate. Come on, Mama. I want to show you the sticker.
Hindi, gawin ka na ibang kulay. Ito, meron green para dito. Oh. May tree, may house.
Okay, I'll put everything green.
Why? Everything green. Iba-iba kulay. May arrow pa. Oh, wag yan. Ito, oh, yung tree. Ito, dito. This is the darker. I think this is the darker. Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, that's how we need to do. Mama!
Gulo eh.
It did my heart breaking, right?
Lagyan mo ng brown yung ano. Yan. Tapos, color blue na lang yung mga arrows. Mamaya na. Ito muna, hindi pa nga. Tapos na ba yung green? Tapos
Yeah.
na ba yun? Parang wala akong nakita color.
Hey, you're so blind.
Ako pa yung blind. O na, go, go, go.
I get the color in the screen.
Iba na lang.
Okay. There.
Arrows lahat. Wow, ayusin mo.
That's
Dab, dab, dab.
green. Rose is supposed to be green.
Ba't parang basang-basa? Ganun mo muna kaya. Yan. Yan.
Come on. Come on. That's a dark. Dub 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 dub. I need bread for the Ma, no.
Parang dab-dab yan. Tingnan ko nga, mayroon na ba pinatutunguhan yung picture mo? Wala akong makita. So, bright. Ah, okay. Sige, go.
Say,
Good naman.
red for the present, of course.
Okay. Red for the present. Dapat yung ribbon may ibang kulay naman. Mga tipo orange.
Or whatever.
Purple.
I just want to be done with this.
Why? Oh. Pink ba ang house?
Whatever, I can do whatever color
It's
I
a
want.
castle.
Every color I want.
Okay.
The teddy bear, I will color it. I need bread.
Ala, ano yan? Ganunin mo, tanggalin mo yung ano.
Oh, come on, Mama. This is almost gonna do last year. Huh?
Ito, wala pang kulay yung ano. Yan.
I said, what is Christmas? It's pink, not
Yan.
red.
Next. How about purple for the teddy bear?
I want pink.
No, purple.
Pink.
Bahala.
What's that?
Pink. Lahat na nakalagay doon sa ano mo, pink.
Eh, favorite ko color yung pink. And it's cute.
Bigyan mo naman ng details, ano?
With everything pink.
Yan eh. Yung sombrero, ibang kulay naman.
Okay, purple. Stop always saglag. Stop always. Covering my line. Yeah, shining like a vitamin.
Anong sabi ng mama? Anong gagawin mo dyan? Pag sobrang daming tubig.
Ganto, 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 ganto.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay, now pink. Oh, wait. I got it. Pink for teddy bear. Dub, 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 dub. There. I'm done.
You're done? Are you sure? May nakulayan mo na lahat? Pati yung hair?
Yeah, I don't need to color them.
O sige, say goodbye na. Pakita mo sa kanila yung finished product. Eh, yung paligid, hindi mo kukulayan kahit purple?
Yeah, because that's hard.
Hindi, ganun lang.
Ano ba yan, Mama?
O sige, wag na. O, say, see the finished product.
The finished product. But we need to show you the sticker as well.
Saan mo ilalagay yung sticker?
Oh, I'm gonna decorate my...
Yung decorate. Pati na.
How to... What's the part? Okay. I will show you guys my sticker. Mama, ano ito? Mama, where's the part?
Come on.
Where's the first part? I got more space here.
Ito yung first part.
Hey guys, this is the first part. Mama, how's this? How I'm gonna strangle these?
Okay.
Bumblebee, I don't want to.
Ano, oh. Here.
So we do go together. Look guys, like a sun sticker.
Oh, go. Hindi mo makita. Wow, may pag... Ay, padatir. Padatir. Dito! Ano ba yan? Saan mo ilalagay yan? Bakit nasa kamay mo? Dito mo lagay. Ano ba yan, Margaret?
Ah, yan the side,
Next.
second, third. Come on.
Oh my God.
Bumblebee, I don't want to look on me. Do that. Do. Okay, there.
Ay, kami.
Here it is.
Babay ka na. Wow.
Bye,
Nakita
guys.
ka ba? Yung artist.
Bye, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.
Ito.